Good morning, everyone. 31st of October, 2024. Happy Diwali all. Starting from St. Michael's. That's the full team in the back there. Tony Thursday today, so we don't know where we're going. Tony will tell us. A lot of new faces, you're going to meet them along the way.
Folks when we reach Lopinot, before we go up the last summer. Alright, yeah. If we get a Samuel, then we get Annabelle, and who's the person he runs with? David. Huh? This man talking to you here. Well, what are we doing? 6 Mount Catherine's. Huh? He coming? No. We start around 3, 4 in the afternoon.
I hear you. Two is my max, guys.
I don't want to push my motor as though I'm doing it, but I would advise you, Amit, to start at 12 noon. The majority they walk in the pool.
My thought was one time in the light, then 4 in the dark, then 1 time in the light.
Which
Ahmed,
which month in 2025?
Well, 2025 was January.
That's too quick. How about marathon in January?
What day would be convenient for you, David? February?
No, don't make it convenient to me, you know.
How about December?
December next year.
Folks observe. December now.
No, December next year seems very good to me.
Folks, well, it don't matter if you do 6, you at least try for 6. If you get 5, good. So folks, that is Ahmed trying to get him to do 6 Catherine. Me, you and Devika. And that is David. Andre did 3, right? Basically blocking all the way.
Still Mr. Jack around saying to you. I'll tell him Ahmed.
And then as long as someone food and drink. Mr. Jaikaran Singh reminding Ahmed. Maybe
you know when I get off coffee, we go ahead.
Obstacle course.
You might want to edit that out. And folks, thus begins the editing process. Folks, just under a kilometer, walking up Saltfish in St. Michael's Park area. Your team up ahead, doing very well, as if you're in the background.
Just taking one?
Yeah.
Just pick them and go.
one point in time, I just think the people going, they were going right and then going left without I couldn't see it. Well, so much weight, that's so much weight in the back. It's really like the front here. No, you gotta carry somebody with them.
Yeah, what up? You piece of flag that way.
Sorry, what happened?
No, we what up?
We're going up here, right?
No.
We're going soon.
I'm sorry, I done. Tony, I tired, you know. I do. You say I come up last? I'm more tired than you.
But you're not perspiring me. Look at me, I bet.
You wasting energy.
I feel like
That's why you should not be tired.
when they see them. Yeah. A year and a half ago.
Take your time and walk. I don't know all this speeding coming up here. What's going on over there?
When we went up from there.
I was in front. I would like to see speed. Yeah, Andre. Yeah, Andre up in front.
That's why I don't come in the bush.
Well, I can't walk into here because in front.
Gone a trail by myself.
Hey boy, all you easy at all, you know. I think it was, yeah, I'm like taking your time. Went fast.
Folks, we went up a Saltfish. How was it, Onika?
Good.
Friend? Janelle?
We having fun.
All you walk all the way from the start of the road, eh? Puckerins, how was it so far? Well, one puckerin is sweating. Folks, that answer everything, eh? I sweating. My boy over here leaning up on a pole. That is Syra over there going in the bag of snacks. And Carolina done hit them a juice early in the game. Look at that swag. Welcome back, Carolina. And look at we girls here earlier. Carolina, how is it so far for you?
Good. I missed that.
You missed the hiking?
Yes. I missed.
You're with Andre and Tony? Folks, 1.5 kilometers. Tony make we run up that hill day.
Yeah, walk to the grass, put up area, still any night, Tony.
Alright.
That was a nice
You
experience.
should have called me and tell me, man.
I think he was away.
I know I was away, yeah.
That was a nice experience.
Folks, 1.6 kilometers. We leave Saltfish Hill heading across. Finally get our opening in the trail. Look at this.
Beautiful sky.
David, boy?
Look at that sky.
Yeah,
And it was red?
yeah.
I look real nice this morning, right? When
I smelled orange.
Yeah. Well, you always sleeping at the wrong time. No, I was driving. No, what's up, man? Don't worry, don't get a copy.
I have an idea. While we're doing this 6 month catching, I do 6 silver back.
But where's the
When I'm working, I can't rest all week.
Well, I thought you were. You're full time now.
Full time, you know.
It's a full-time retiree.
A full.
But we know. Folks, just under 2 kilometers. We're going through some bush here. And Amit hasn't given up. He's still trying to get David to do the 6 months in Catherine. Any only wishing to join? Call in.
Call on it.
674 Amit? No, I don't know. That number not really. Folks, don't go and call it. Folks, we're in the middle of the bush. They're looking at a very tall tree.
With a broad trunk.
Any ideas, folks, what kind of tree that is? Silk cotton tree, Syra?
Okay. But I never see cotton from this tree, Syra.
Cotton tree, this is a tree that the Obeah say it have spirits and all the demons that's living in it.
It don't have silk cotton on it. It just a demon on it.
It have demon on it.
Jesus, no.
Q where?
And everybody taking picture by this tree.
Folks, this is a hairpin turn. That's the rest of the crew coming up in the back.
That's how you do it.
Syra gave us a brief history of the tree.
It's a demon tree.
It's a silk cotton tree and you know it by the buttresses.
Lord,
Right, if you look at the roots.
Oh.
Right, so they're shelf like, so it's a buttress. So this is the ever famous Papa Bois lives in the silk cotton tree. It's beautiful, it's a beautiful tree.
Yeah, but we're not going to cut down the tree.
And then after that, no more mangoes. Tony said the tree get cut down.
It ain't cut down
You're
yet.
good, you know.
It ain't get cut down yet. You're not going to cut down the tree.
And we still get no more mangoes.
That's the tree we get the mango by when we come down Caura into Lopinot? Or that is something else?
Nah, it's something else.
Alright. That Julie mango was good.
Well, when are you doing the next 100K, will you get mango?
That is the incentive, Tony?
Yeah.
Mango?
Yeah.
Yeah, that come a little better. But alright. Some people might take the chain up. I might be one of them.
Well, Andre has to figure out the route to the 100K.
You just start walking.
But Amit, you don't forget out already. How much Mount Catherine that is?
Over 100.
6.
You don't work that out.
That's over 100K. That's the 100K then. All right.
Folks, so after going up Saltfish Hill, 2.1 kilometers, we're coming back through the trail into the main road. This to my right, where those people coming up from, is the road if we had continued straight. We turned left, went up Saltfish Hill and come back down.
I think I needed that too.
You know, like sometimes when... Welcome back to the main St. Michael's Street.
One time it was a very easy hike. And it was
Morning, ladies.
and I was there.
You have to hurt the body. When the body, a lot is fine, but really enough.
For me, it's more the mind.
Coming down there.
You know,
Wait
it's
them
like the mind has to begin to appreciate the event versus
Enjoying it.
right versus just push. For me, it's
Oh, you're going so
most
slow,
of the time
bro.
it's just that. It's just push.
Avoid water. I avoid water and I'm going in water.
Aye, you
the
going
man
in water.
going send me in water. We ain't going no life jacket. Water. When I look up swimming water, so I can't see the sky.
Watch me. The man went backwards, yes.
Look now, man. I cut a sticker.
A nice sticker.
A nice sticker. And boy, I tell you, when he's stick in the water, boy, I'm vexing you, Andre. I'm vexing you.
But when she told me Thursday, I was following you, you know.
The man make me go in a river. And you can't tell me walk a
I
life.
make you go in a river.
You tell me walk a life jacket now.
The
Folks, 2.5 kilometers. We're walking deeper inside St. Michael's.
Do some research on it.
On the 6 month Caprins? Yeah. Don't worry, I did the research already.
Oh, wait now. This thing stick in his man head, you know.
That was an easy hike too. 15K? 17K? Where is that? That river that Wolf? Was that Wolf Falls that we were exploring?
Oh, this is Yarra. The Wolf is remember
The one where you
went there?
picked the stone?
Yeah, Wolf, yeah.
Yeah.
They call it Jola El Brazo.
It was very nice for you to wait on us.
Everybody doing Wolf Falls, parking right on the road and walking off. Parking Lopinot.
Ready to go?
I going back. I finished my work.
All right, take care.
All right then, take care.
Yeah. It's our master there. I started early. Look for early, right? There you go.
We going up?
This is the first time all of us coming here. This is the first time all of us coming here.
Now we'll be out in trouble.
You coming down here?
No, you must never be listening.
Anything on this one, KG?
Yeah.
Couple of snacks, couple bottles of water. And since he's, has his issues, make sure it's a plastic bottle or something like that. Less weight, the better.
Folks, 3.4 kilometers into the side. We're only going up and up. Tony, tell him we're on a flat incline.
We're going flat and flat and flat.
Tony say we're on a flat slope of 33. Folks, all they worked out. Tony, we on an incline or we on flat?
We are flat, we never reach our incline yet.
We on flat, that way you saying? Alright. Folks, Tony saying no incline, no slope. Take a look at the slope meter. .5 kilometers since the start. 1.5 hours gone.
You need another one? Maybe run out of gas.
Mashing phones, David. Mashing phones.
Ready?
Folks, 3.75 kilometers. Are we at the top?
Past,
What is the top of this hill, David?
Yeah, we're looking for the trig.
yeah.
He's sinking it, he's looking for the sinking the trig.
Yeah, that's all right. Cyrus and goodbye.
You want to treat something if anybody wants to sit down?
When you cut it up, you go down after.
Folks, this is the trig. I'm not referring to Syra or David. But what is sitting on? Yes, it's been that kind of Tony easy walk, folks. Sit down on the trig.
No,
I stop twice, take 2 rests.
we're going easy, said Michael.
Right.
Easy. So official or Paradise Hill.
No, you don't want to go down. The trail is not good.
Top of Paradise Hill,
That's why
folks.
we have that man.
That's in St.
He's a
Michael's.
walking bulldozer, you
We
know.
have
He's fall down.
No, he just clear bush taller than him.
GPS
Because Tony just cry him in bush taller than him.
Look,
And lose him.
bush taller than tall.
Folks, on
No,
the
look,
screen,
no, wait a
you'll
minute.
see the,
Look the man
We're saying
laughing
the
now.
man
the
just,
altitude
he just
meter.
walk
Yeah.
through it.
Look
He
the man
just clear the
laughing.
path.
And where am it? I want to see him face. Where am it?
He's a hunter. He's like that. He has that sixth sense about him.
Yeah, but they have made fun pushing on the grass and they tell me we need to speed
Am
up.
it? This man
I
laughing
push on
about
the grass and they behind
the
me.
adventure.
When you clear it,
Hey, at the end of the day, you see the guy in front.
Only a madman would laugh
Cutting.
about that.
Well, the man-
Everybody
You
appreciates
know how we,
him, eh?
like,
Because they
we
get
were
the
swinging
rest.
from the ropes like Tarzan sometimes.
I appreciate your rest.
So
Crazy.
the longer that guy takes the cut, forget
Monica
all,
was telling them
forget all the complaint. They love the rest.
when we did the, me and Adrian, when we did the
Was that
marathon,
yeah?
Yes, boy.
I was telling them that I was so happy when we encountered grass and Adrian had to stop and cut grass. I see Monica pull out a 5-hour energy, I get frightened one time.
Close enough to know that
And I just try and stay away from Tony.
he's trying to stay away, but always following me.
That's your first life in the morning.
Yeah, this is what's annoying me.
Why? Now why somebody say he's saying no, pop for that.
We're taking a foot pit ride trick. The first time I come up here.
Folks, we went up to the trig and now we're heading back down the same trail back to St. Michael Road. Expect some razor grass up here. Long pants is the recommendation. Tony, I had to say, even a easy Tony Thursday is a Tony Thursday.
See channel 2. See where you get a new name and all.
Is what it was 213 or something?
220. Yeah.
Who's your grandfather?
Yeah, I wonder who your grandfather is, right?
Yeah. Right, leader.
I do one thing for you to ride down here.
Yeah, they used to ride down here.
Riding.
It's a bike trail.
It's a riding ram.
Run up your flip and your ladder and your foot.
Come down with a mountain bike and
Mountain bike.
I go take the pictures.
No, after you launch off, there's just broken bones after.
No. I'm David and taking a picture. What?
Yeah, David.
Boy, I start my thing on the top of Saltfish.
Well, look, I talk about no, look, you don't wear. Casper, hold on. Casper waiting.
Ano naman yung network flow? Hello, where's up your speed?
Baka pa show you how to come down now.
Share technique.
Cute. That's no shame in doing it. I get it. I go slide over here. Yeah, you carry it wrong.
I want to take Andrew coming down there, man. All I'm out.
And to think they have Amit with his snack bag and they leave the man by himself up there.
No, David,
You
go.
can't get knocked down by that bike there.
David, go.
You come down there, bike start near there and you
Go,
go.
go back up down and take a picture. You coming down.
I'm good.
You're good right there, David.
Right here, I'm good.
Folks, 4.8 kilometers. We come back down the hill. There's your three ladies here. They make it look easy. I was resting all the way.
Bring long pants, please.
Yeah, I'm going up for that trick. It's a long pants hike.
But if they cut it, it would be a nice feeling.
Awesome. That's a good workout there. Folks, the view from St. Michael's. Folks, 5.3 kilometers on the home stretch, heading back home through the St. Michael's main trail. We've reached back to the intersection point. That's everyone over there. And at this point, we take the main road back down.
It's like a big eye.
Easy walk back down, folks. folks, Carolina and Syra. Carolina just seemed overtaken and deliberately turned left.
I'm just doing the same that I did in the car.
Sometimes. That's it. Remember, you want to cut down people's sales, you know. You always getting bite from them.
All right. Maybe not get I want to think like somehow I feel like the interesting. It is always be like when I think I have it, yeah, it'll be like, oh my God,
And how was your walk this morning, ladies
Excellent.
and gentlemen?
Excellent. Excellent.
You would recommend more people come out?
Definitely.
Yeah.
For your health, your mental health, your well-being, you just feel awesome.
See, St. Michael's is it, huh?
Yes, lovely.
Thank you so much. You all have a good one.
You too.
And it's fully shaded. Real good, important information there, folks.
The man keep on one time here, so that's it.
Some hike we did go. I can't remember what we did. From Chancellor to Morocco. And then we met up Matthew. Tell David that if you wear a bad you go Sapphire Fall. If you see that man face change, you know when they change just so, that man face change just so much.
Nah, don't get me that. We went to Sapphire Falls.
Yes, but I tell you,
Everybody enjoyed themselves.
we might be able to make it.
Everybody enjoyed themselves.
When I told you that,
Especially Matthew.
Matthew are tired.
You over enjoy yourself, that's really tired also.
Yeah. Matthew are tired, but only I'm you about it.
So folks, 7-kilometer loop.
Over 2 hours.
Tony Thursday, 31st of October 2024. Happy Diwali all. 7 kilometers in 2 hours 40 minutes. Tony, easy walk, right?
Yeah. But I say sorry, people. I apologize because the walk short, so it was extra easy.
To facilitate David.
David, because it was going on board loop to come back up, but David have something called in his brain only mentioning cafe.
Man could read minds now.
So sorry for the short walk.
Folks here, we didn't mind here. We just listening. But alright. A man make a beeline to the car. Folks, this is Team Fitness signing off. Again, happy Diwali all. 7 kilometers, Shub Diwali from Syra. 2 hours. 2 hours 40 minutes.
One stone, 2 stone, 3 stone.
Alright, people, sorry for the short walk.
Alright, 3,
But we have to
4.
Shub Diwali.